Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Adobe Firefly in mobile. So first go to Google Chrome and then search for adobefirefly.com. Now click Create with Firefly and then you need to sign in on your Adobe and then continue with Facebook or continue with Google. But for me, I will go to my Facebook and then tap agree. Click next, next again, another 3 times, and then click on done. Now choose a picture here or type your described image. But for me, it's flower. At the bottom, you will see aspect ratio, content type, styles, color and tone, lightning, and composition. Now, let's try color and tone and select here you want. As you can see, the color and tone was changed. Now, let's try lightning and then choose here. The image was changed again. Let's try aspect ratio. So here, choose any size what you want for your image. And that's it. The size was changed. Now let's try the styles and select palette knife. And it looks like painting flower. And the last, let's try composition and select choices. And that's how you edit your image. Now let's try edit a picture on your gallery. Go to your home page and select generate fill. Tap on generate. Then click upload image and select allow. Now choose a picture on your gallery and it has 5 objects to edit your picture. The first one is add, subtract, settings, background, and invert. Click on invert and select the picture you want to remove. And if you click the subtract, you will delete the invert. Then if you want the background, this will be happen. And if you want to back the picture, click on clear. Now, let's edit your picture. Click on invert and select the object of this picture you want to change. As you can see here, there is 3 options to change the object you invert. If you're done to choose, you can now save it onto your mobile. If you want more edit on your picture, just do it again what will done. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.